Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Margi Patel from Junior KG. In general awareness, today we will learn about good habits which we should follow in our daily life. Get up early in the morning. We should go to bed early and wake up early in the morning. It keeps us healthy and fit. Brush teeth twice daily. We should brush our teeth at least 2 times every day so our teeth can remain healthy and strong. Take a bath every day. We should take a bath every day to keep our body clean. Wear clean clothes. Do you like to wear untidy clothes after taking a bath? No. You have to wear clean and tidy clothes after a bath so that you do not have germs on your clothes. Comb hair. You have to always oil your hair and comb them properly. By doing this, your hair will get natural nourishment and shine. So, it is necessary to wash, oil and comb your hair properly. Play and exercise daily. We should play in the open air and do exercise daily. By doing so, our mind and body will remain healthy. Cover mouth while coughing or sneezing. We should cover our mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing with the help of handkerchief or tissue paper. By doing this, we can stop spreading germs into the atmosphere. Wash hands before and after meals. It is important to wash our hands before meals so that our hands become germs free. And washing hands after a meal helps us to get rid of food particles that may cause disease. Wash hands after using the washroom. Washing hands after using the washroom prevents illness and infection. Eat food without spilling. What do you see in this picture? Yes, a boy is eating his food without spilling it on the table. If we spill the food here and there, food will be wasted. Clip nails regularly. Come all of you, show me your nails. See, some of the children have not cut their nails. You should tell your mummy to cut your nails because in long nails dirt is collected and that
dirt goes in your stomach while eating and you might fall ill. So, it is very much necessary to cut your nails regularly.
Today we learned about good habits that we should follow in our daily life. Okay, bye and take care.